my name is Mustika Julia Saragi, and my student ID 2024-32053. Today, I will present my machine learning practicum, which consists of two topics, neural network and key learning. In this presentation, I will first explain the neural network implementation based on Jupyter Notebook, and after that, I will continue with the key learning practicum. Okay, the first is import library. The first import the required library. Pandas is used for data manipulation. NumPy is used for numerical computation. With Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for data visualization. Okay, next is load dataset. I load the telco customer churn dataset using Pandas. The head function display the first 5 rows of the dataset so we can understand its structure. Okay, next is uh, display dataset information. This code display the dataset information, including the number of rows, column, data types, and non-null value for each feature. Next is statistical summary. The describe function provide statistical information for numerical features such as the mean, minimum, maximum, and standard deviation. Next is check missing value. Uh, this code checks whether there are missing value in each column of the dataset. Next is uh, remove customer ID. The customer ID column is removed because it's only identifier and does not contribute to prediction customer churn. Next is uh, convert total chart. This code convert the total chart column into a numerical data type in valid value and convert into missing value. Next is fill missing value. Any missing value in this total charts column are replaced with the median value. Next is encode categorical data. Science neural networks with numerical data, label encoder is used to convert categorical variables into numerical value. Next is um, define features and target. The input features are stored in X, while the variable concern is stored in Y. Next is uh, import standard scalar. Standard scalar is imported to normalize the input features before training the neural network model. And next is uh, code standardization. Operators so they have the same scale, improve the learning performance of the model. Next is split the dataset. Um, the dataset divides into 70% training data and 30% testing data will pressing the class distribution. And next, import MP classifier. Classifier is imported to build the neural network classification model. Okay. Next, import the grid search sieve. Grid search sieve is used to search for the best hypermeter combination for the neural network model. Okay. Next, define parameter. The parameter define the neural network's architecture, including three hidden layers: the ReLU activation function, the adaptive optimizer, and adaptive learning rate, and a maximum of 300 training iteration. Next is train the mode. The okay. Research train multiple neural network model using cross-validation and select the one the highest calculation. The next is display best parameter. Because display the best parameter combination found during grid search CP. Okay, next is import evaluation metrics. The metrics are used to evaluate performance of the training neural network model. And next is predict test data. The best model obtained from Grid City used to predict the customer churn level for the testing dataset. Next is calculate accuracy. This code calculate the overall prediction accuracy of the neural network model. And next, uh, classification report. The classification report provides fraction, recall, F1 score, and support for each class. And next is confusion matrix. Um, Finally, the confusion matrix is visualization using a heat map to compare the prediction labels with the actual labels and evaluate the model performance. Okay, next into practicum Kilan. Okay, the first is import, import libraries. The first step, import the record libraries. NumPy, sorry. Uh, the first step, import the record libraries. NumPy is used for numerical computation. Matplotlib and Cyborg are used to visualization and the result. And the random library is used to select random action during training. Next is create the mesh. The code creates the mesh improvement value 0, repeats a free path 1, represent a wall, and 2 represent the goal state. And next, hypermeters. This parameter determines the learning speed, importance of feature, rewards, explanation probability, and the number of training episodes. Next is states and action. This code calculates the total number of states and define for possible uh, action up, down, left, and right. And next is initial key table. The key table initial with the zero because the agent has not learned any knowledge yet. Next is state state conversion. The solver function convert between state indicate and mesh uh, coordinates. Next is variable action. This list define movement direction up, down, left, and right. And next is train the agent. Okay, the agent learns using the learning algorithm and the epsilon algorithm strategy. They sometimes explore random action and otherwise select the action with the highest key value. Next is visualize key value. The maximum key value for each state is visible as heatmap hyper value indicate between states. Next is find the optimal page. Okay. Af- After the training, the target follow the highest value to find and display the optimal path from the start of the develop. Okay. In conclusion, the neural networks practicum demonstrate how to build classification model through data processing, model training, prediction, and evaluation. Meanwhile, the learning practicum show how an agent can learn the optimal path in maze by interacting with the environment and updating its capable. Overall, both practicum provide a better understanding of supervised learning and reinforcement learning, as well as their application is solving different machine learning problems. Okay, thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.